What's up guys, and the war of the smartphones cameras megapixels starts again, and Samsung is not going to stop. According to the Ice Universe, the person in charge of Samsung's sensor business says that Samsung will continue to develop high pixel sensors and will develop 600 megapixel sensors in future. And you hear totally right, 600 megapixels. These megapixels are even more than the megapixels of average human eye. So that's a big step from Samsung. But Samsung is still working on these megapixels, so you are not going to see these megapixels in near future. So maybe it will take 1 to 2 years for Samsung to develop this size of sensor. So we will see about that, how much time will Samsung take to develop this. And we already know that Samsung was also the first company that made a 48 megapixel sensor, then 64 megapixel, and finally the 108 megapixel sensor, which was used in Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. And the 600 megapixel will also comes from Samsung in future. Now let's talk about the big news about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Samsung may have given us a sneak peek at the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 through a Galaxy Store teaser image. So there are 3 smartphones as you can see in the image. They include an unreleased model, presumably the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, sandwiched between the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and the Galaxy S20. So this mysterious device looks quite bit like the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, except it is missing the Infinity O display design with a centered selfie punch hole display that is available in the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. But one obvious discrepancy lies in the physical buttons not being located on the right edge of the smartphones. Samsung is rumored to make this change with the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. But then again, nothing is set in the stone just yet, so the placement of the physical keys could go either way. According to the Ice Universe, we already know that Samsung is working on an under-display camera, but in that picture, there is also the apparent lack of the punch hole in the display. Thought it may be a simple be located in the upper left corner that remains hidden behind the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. The Galaxy Note 10 and S20 lineups have a standard punch holes for their Infinity O screens, and it seems rather unlikely for Samsung to backtrack on their decisions to borrow the S10 formula for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. There is also chances that Samsung Galaxy Note 20 has an under-display selfie camera, making the punch hole unnecessary. Then again, the massive leak of the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 indicates that Samsung is not yet ready to manufacture the under-display camera for their smartphones. So for the time being, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20's display seems more likely to follow a traditional Infinity O display, just like the Samsung Galaxy S20 and the S20 Plus. But it is confirms that Samsung is working on under-display camera for their upcoming smartphones that we will see in the Samsung Galaxy S21 or the Samsung Galaxy Note 22. Resources also shares the battery capacity of Samsung's upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 20. So the small variant of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, the successor of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, will have a 4000 mAh capacity, same as the Samsung Galaxy S20 base model. And the big brother of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 is going to have a 4500 mAh battery cell or maybe 5000 mAh battery cell, but we will see about that later. And the Galaxy Note 20 Plus will use the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, which is going to perform well as compared to the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, which we already know that the Exynos variant of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is performing very bad in the market. So that's all about today's video, and if you like this video, give thumbs up to this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in another video. Until peace out.